Hey, Tiny Dream Team, how's everybody doing today? Don't forget, like, share, subscribe to these videos. If you want to see more tiny home, RV park model, cabin content. We're here in, this is called Lake Wales, Florida. We're in Wales, dear. But we are at Winter Haven RV. If you want to come down here, you can see Miss Tawana Crouse. She is a park model specialist. This one is a Skyline. This is a 13-foot wide by 40, let's just say 44 foot 9 inch. Tammy just showed you the exterior with the deck and the plastic, whatever you want to call them, polyvinyl railings, and all the windows you can see from outside. But we're inside now. We're in the kitchen. You walk right in the front door into the kitchen. She showed you this on the outside. This is your pass-through window. And we've showed you similar models with pass-through, but this one is really cool because your kitchen is right here, your counters. And
the sink is right there. It's really cool.
You can pass through water, drinks.
Or your pie.
Or your pie, set your apple pie. One thing in the Skyline brand, this is a solid surface window seal, like they used to put in the homes, the marble. So that's a solid surface window seal.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't mention that. We toured one or two other Skylines, and I didn't mention that before. But anyway, you can see we've got the glass tiles. We've got your laminate countertop, your double bowl 23 by 32 sink, and you've got a gooseneck faucet with the pull-out sprayer. This home features your soft close doors and drawers, full-size dishwasher, full-size range, full-size big microwave over the top of the range. This is a 2023 model, okay? This is now last year's model, but it's one they have here for sale. I'll tell you the price at the end of the video, so you got to hang in there for it. Got a big island here. This thing has seating for 4, around 3 here, 1 here. And in the island, you also have drawers and doors. As I will say, with soft closed drawers, soft closed doors. You can't slam those and wake me up in the middle of the night when you're getting a snack. That's sneaky. You can sneak in and get a snack and your wife doesn't even know it. You've got a big cabinet here to the left side of your side-by-side refrigerator. Plenty of storage. It's got shelves.
Nice. I like the shelves.
These on the top are adjustable. This one is fixed. Under here is closed off, and that's where your air conditioner return air vent is. Now I'm gonna.
That's different.
Keep watching. I got something to show you about these Skylines. Here you got a bank with 3 windows as you walk into your living room. They have this built-in console with, again, the cabinets. This is nice hardware on these cabinets. Soft closed door. You can put your little decorations here, or if you wanted to, they have the little grommet here. When your TV is mounted up here, you can put your DVD player, or if you're old school, your VCR. Or if your grandchildren are coming over, your video games. They can be set in here and routed up into it. Ceiling fan, tray ceiling. And in these Skylines, I've mentioned this before, crown molding throughout this place. And the cabinets, they put the crown above the cabinets, which is a really nice touch. Then above where the couch seating area is, you have a nice long light window. You've got your vents in the ceilings, like we talked about with these Skylines and some of these down here in Florida. It's a thing they do in Florida. Now you can get this home Wind Zone 2 or Wind Zone 3.
Can you tell them about the package that comes with it?
I will.
The furniture?
You gotta hang in to the end of the video. There's some super secrets in this thing that you gotta keep watching for. You guys watch 7 minutes of the video, then you click. You probably go over and watch ITH. Or you go watch Vivian, or you go watch Sarasota Tim.
Hey, what's wrong with Vivian?
Nothing. But you gotta watch us too, all the way to the end. Anyway, you got your nice orange peel drywall. Look at these corners. These are not just the little ones where your kids are going to bump their heads. The grandchildren are going to bump their heads and crack their skull open. These are those nice rounded drywall corners. As you come down the hallway, right here is your laundry area. You got a bifold door that covers up your laundry room, and this would be perfect for a large size stackable. And you've got the shelf above. As you turn to the right, Tammy's right, my left, look at this bathroom. And I spoke about this in some of our other videos from Florida with these park models. This park model has plenty of storage. Why? Because in Florida, they put a lot of these in the 55 plus communities. And you're living in these full time. These park models are not being lived in, just sitting at the lake, go up there once a week. Now the other trick that I want to mention, porcelain sink.
Where did you go?
I wanted to double check something in there.
Oh, okay.
So I was looking at the paper just to make sure I wasn't speaking out of turn. I love those doors in the shower.
Yes, aren't they wonderful?
Now this is a Florida park model. What's different in Florida park models and park models other places? These are 499 square foot. They don't have that 399 square foot requirement that other states have for a park model. So you get
Or for tiny home.
Or for tiny home. You're still getting a larger home, 100 more square foot in this home, which is awesome. This is where I know it's ugly, but that's where your thermostat's going. Right to Tammy's left, you've got your 200 amp panel box hidden with a cabinet door. I don't think that, no, that's not soft close. You've got a rear exit door here with a deadbolt. You've got your nice lever light switches, not standard. Are you happy to see me or what?
What on earth? Ignore him, guys. He's a silly man.
Here you have a pocket door. They've got this secured so it doesn't fall out when they're transporting.
You forgot to say there's a storm door out there.
Oh yeah, that does have a nice storm door as well.
With the screen.
With the screen. You can open it up for ventilation. Welcome in here to the bedroom. Good thing, like I said, these things always have plenty of storage. Tammy's going to go around and show you. This is not barn style doors, but it's a nice full size closet. It's got the sliders. I can't slide them. They've secured it for transport, which is kind of smart. Other thing about Skyline, I mentioned this in other Skyline videos, over these windows. Look at those nice moldings over those windows, casings around the windows. Give you a balance and your crown at the top. And just look at the storage around the bed. You've got all those cabinets above. You've got the two cabinets on the side. You've got your nightstands. These nightstands are movable, so you could relocate them somewhere else if you wanted to.
And so is the bed.
Yeah, so is the bed.
Because the bed doesn't look like it's perfectly placed. But.
No, this is a queen. You can easily fit, as you can see on the sides, you can easily fit a king size in here. Mm-hmm. And this bedroom's big enough to put a California king. Look at all this space. See?
The king might be exactly what we need for snoring, dear.
Yeah. Or a California
king. We'd be far enough away from each other.
You got your ceiling fan in here. Beautiful thing about this home, it is white on white. Everything is white on white, and then you got your gray highlights with your floor and your countertops, and then kind of tie in the blue-gray with the backsplash in the kitchen. It's a really neat home, really love it, really beautiful, really nice. Now, I'm going to give you the price. Oh, you want me to talk about the TV?
There is plug-ins there. It's just
plug in and hook up for your TV.
A decor item in front of it.
Yeah. They decor it to height, so you can put your TV if you want.
Or if you like us, we'll probably put a plant there.
Yeah, and then you can put your VCR if you're old school, DVD player, your cable box, whatever you want to in here.
Or if you don't do the electronics.
Or if you got satellite dish, whatever you got, just, No,
I'm saying if you don't do the electronics at all, maybe you could put some ties in there and fold them up real nice.
Or
that'd be
put
pretty.
Some books in there.
That too, if you read.
Yeah,
that'd be perfect.
So anyway, let's walk out front and I'll tell you the final details on this house and some of the surprises. One of the surprises, we're in Florida. Look at this chair. I love that thing.
It feels good too, doesn't it?
Oh, that is such
comfy.
A nice chair. Very comfy. We've already set in a couple of them. And they make a recliner that looks with this same pattern. And look at the pillows on the couch. That's the cool thing about this dealer. Winter Haven RV. The price includes the furniture package. Ain't that something? Price includes the furniture package. We're going to zoom in here. If I can hold it steady
Can you
enough.
hold it downward? Nobody wants to see the beard. Thank you.
There's the business card, and as always, we're going to put their website, all their information in the description of the video. We'll take pictures of this.
Nobody can read it when it's
I know,
dancing.
I'm just playing around.
You play too much, don't you?
I'm a funny guy. But we're going to put all this on our community page. This home, as it sits, if you take this one with the full-size dishwasher, the pass-through window, the solid surface, the moldings above the window, the casements. Look how they did this one. I just noticed that. This bank of windows here. You've got 4 big full-size windows, and they took the casement all the way across. And then there's a transom light above there.
That's pretty neat, huh?
That is
wow.
neat. The tray ceiling. And
It
the
is
ceiling.
literally all the way across.
Again, bright, airy, light and airy, as Tammy says. This home, 2023 Skyline Park model, as is, sitting here with the furniture and the appliances, $118,895. That's today's price.
Is that with the discount or without the
That is with the discount. It is Friday, January 26, 2024. That's the price today. Price is always subject to change. And these folks only do here in Florida, so you'd have to haul it somewhere else or find you a Skyline dealer near you that would be able to get this model for you. So you might not guarantee that same price, but this dealer, Winter Haven RV, that's the price, $118,895 with the furniture and appliances. Everything you see, you just don't get me, Pasco Paul, and you don't get Tampa Tammy. But we'll come to your
I don't
house and
claim
help you set it
Tampa,
up.
dear.
Huh?
Tampa might be a lovely place, but where we saw in Tampa was okay.
Yeah, just okay.
Yeah.
No wonder. Okay. All right, folks. Where are we at on time?
12 minutes and 7 seconds.
Yeah, since most of you folks only watch 10 minutes, we're going to cut it off here. I tried to rope you in. Got you $1. Got you $1. Try to get you in. Keep you watching a little longer so you can hang in and get the price at the end. But anyway, we're going to close it off here. If you like this content, you like tiny homes, you can watch Mr. Tiny, you can watch ITH, or you can watch us. Or you can watch all of us. We're not jealous. Kind of a little bit. But anyway, please like, share, and subscribe. And hang in there. We're going to have plenty of more videos from Winter Haven RV on our channel coming up soon. So go to our channel and look for more. We're going to have a bunch. Hang in there. Going on to the next.